Hello everybody, today we make a shrimp risotto. It gotta taste so good. I got zested lemon and lemon juice. It gives so good taste. Now for the ingredients I got over here are body rice and I got a shrimp. Now the shrimp I peel off already and I cut over here with a knife to clean up and I left a little shell. Chicken stock, I got a shallot I chop already. I got a peas, little white wine, pecorino cheese, butter. I got a garlic I chop, parsley, zested lemon, and lemon juice. Okay, now we gotta start for the risotto. And I got over here oil. I put the gas on already. This is olio di oliva. We warm up a little bit the oil. And I put my onion and garlic. Make sure to not burn the garlic and the shallot. Do not cook too long the shallot and the garlic. Ready for the rice. And make sure to turn the rice now steady. Okay, you know one burn. And the gas put on medium. Okay, now the rice is done. Okay, it's enough for the turn like this. You give a nice taste with the onion, the shallot, and the garlic. Now it's time I gotta put a little wine. And already the smell, it's really, really good. Now we make the alcohol evaporate, everything. After that, we gotta use the chicken stock. Okay, now we start to use the chicken stock. So you don't got a chicken stock, you got a beef stock, it's okay, everything is good. But the chicken stock, you gotta start a little bit at a time. Not everything at one time. Okay, you never know. Maybe you put too much. And this you gotta do like this. When you need the chicken stock, you put. So you don't need, wait. Now we cook the risotto on medium. And when it's dry, you put more chicken stock. And make sure to turn the rice, okay, you don't want to be burned. Okay, now you see, now the chicken stock I put it before, it's so dry. And the rice, you need more chicken stock. And we put a couple more spoon over here, the chicken stock. Okay. And now make sure to turn all the time. When it starts to get the rice, it's not cooked yet. Still we put the chicken stock. It gotta come out at the end, nice cream, cremoso, il risotto. Okay, we need more chicken stock. This, it looks so good already. Wait when I put the shrimp, it look more really good. Okay, now the rice is almost done. And now we put the last chicken stock. 1 and 2. And now we put all the stuff what I need. Peas, lemon. That's the lemon. And we got the shrimp. Okay, now this you gotta cook like maybe 6 more minutes, and this will be everything done. Okay, now the chicken stock, it's all served with the rice, and now it's a time to put the butter and the pecorino cheese at the end, okay, want to make a nice the risotto and the shrimp creamy. We put the butter, and we give it this turn, because the butter it's already soft, got left outside. And now we put the pecorino cheese, because the shrimp it's cooked too, the same like the risotto. It's the pecorino cheese over here. We leave the butter and the cheese melt down. It's ready to eat. Okay, now the rice and the shrimp is done. And we put it right over here on the table. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Nice. Okay, now let me taste my shrimp and my risotto. A little rice. Okay. Little fresh parsley on the top. Okay, now let me taste my risotto with the shrimp. And I want to taste my shrimp first. And I got this one. So you don't want to cook with the shell? It's okay, it's fine. But I like with the shell. With this fresh lemon and the zest lemon, I remember when I was in Italy, in Orsara, we was use all the time. We have so many lemon over there. Get the lemon, we grow by itself on a tree, and we was squeeze when we was making the risotto with the shrimp or with the fish. It's so good. Oh, you see, I was a taste the shrimp, the risotto, everything. But I forget something. What do you do? Why you know what's put on the side before me? Oh, I got it right over here. Salute cincin everybody. This is really good with this risotto with shrimp. Shrimp risotto, it's really nice. Salute e cincin everybody. Ah, salute, questo è un risotto fatto con i gamberoni. Shrimp. It's so good. Thank you.
And now you're going to cut what?
I gotta cut the piece. It gotta be a cube. Okay, four pieces each piece. And make sure the cut is good, okay? I got like 300 pieces. And I gotta cut like little cube like this, okay? Make sure I cut like this. No big deal.
You got this?
That's the good, that's wrong. This, it looks so good already. Wait when I put the shrimp, it look more really good.
All right, you stop